In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. If you are struggling to figure out how pop-up view works on this SONY, don't worry, you are not the only one. That's why I tested it to show you exactly how you can do it on this device. First of all, open any app you wish to use in pop-up view and launch it in the background. Then you can either tap on pop-up window below your opened app, or if you have multiple apps opened in the background, easier will be to click this icon at the top of the chosen one and select pop-up window over here. Either way, when you click on it, you need to tap on home button to go back to main screen. Now, to move it around, hold it and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. If you want to go back within an app, so for example, I will click here and want to go back, I can use this arrow at the top left corner. If you want to minimize it, use this line at the top right one, and then go back into background apps to click on your app here. Then go back using home button again. To use your app in full screen view, use this icon between a line and an X. And last but not least, to close it completely, hit this X at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!